So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Jane Explainer. As we all can see that here it's showing that the website is locked for allotment processing, and in the notification it was saying that on 11th or before 11th the results will get released. That means today is 10th August and the results have not yet released. That means tomorrow is the day where you will get your results confirmed. So be ready for tomorrow. Then I want to share some information that what you should do that you can lock your seat. So they say it's so simple thing that you have been doing from a very long time. First you will get your results through SMS, like most of you will get SMS, and if you didn't receive any SMS, that doesn't mean that you didn't get any seat, but almost 80% if you didn't get any of the SMS, that automatically means you have not been allotted a seat in any of the college. And most of the times due to some error or due to some traffic, the SMS will not get delivered. That's the reason you have to come and you need to log in through here to your website, that means your student portal, and there under allotment process or allotment Dropbox, you will get to see that where you have an allotment. Here you will get some letter where it will be written that you have been allotted in so and so colleges, and this is an amount that you have to pay to so that you can lock your seat. So in this video let's discuss what are the things that you should do to check your result, and also how you can lock your seat. See, before 14th August, that means you have 4 days in your hands after getting your seat, that is 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th, where you need to confirmly pay your fees if you have any fee, and other than that you need to do self-report online. After completing your payment and self-report, that means under phase 1 you have confirmed your seat and you are okay with your seat, or sometimes you can like even go for some other upgradation of the seat in the phase 2. But mostly as you have only 2 phases, I want you all to confirm the seat, keep that seat as a reserve, and then go for phase 2. And see, other than that, what I want to share is, if you are someone from SC, ST or BCE, you will get fee reimbursement, and also EWS, but EWS will get partial all the time. So if you are someone who have like a reservation under these categories and you are not eligible, see, and you have provided income certificate and it's a valid income certificate, and even though you didn't get any fee reimbursement, then that means you have done some mistake while submitting or verifying your documents. In that time you need to call the HLC and you need to like inform him regarding the mistake that that either it's from your side or their side. But see, before the like keeping the options of phase 2, you need to solve this problem as soon as possible. And one more thing that can be done is paying the fee. See, you can pay the fee through your credit card, see, credit card, debit card, UPI and net banking. These are the ways by which you can pay the fee. And one more important thing is, see, try to like pay the fee through your mobile, because sometimes most of the students go to the Mi-Seva centers or some online cafes, internet cafes, and they try to give the money to the person who is sitting there and they do the payments. What I suggest you is do that from your own bank servers, because sometimes due to their high traffic it may get stuck. And see, if it's your mobile, within 1 day or 2 days you will get a refund and you can try again. But you cannot keep going on again and again to the internet cafe, and you cannot blame him, right? So it's a financial problem, you need to solve it. So try to end that from your mobile itself or your device. And another thing what I suggest you is, most of the students avoid this thing as soon as they see the results. That is, see, first thing, try to pay the fee. Second thing is, try to do the self-reporting as soon as possible. I have seen students in TG ICET, TG like PG ICET, what they do is they keep this thing till the last date. See, last date can put you in trouble, because last day is a day where the traffic is so much. where sometimes you cannot even open the portal, or if you open the portal it may keep pushing you through the logout, and again logging in can also temporarily lock your account. So if you are someone who is ready with your funds and if you are okay with that college, do your payment as soon as possible and do the self-reporting as soon as possible. And even if you want to go to the phase 2, what you need to do is complete these both steps, because you are in a position where you have only first two rounds, and I want you to lock your seat in the first 2 rounds and then go for the like any other step, like which is spot admissions. But as a guide or as a sir, as your friend, I want you to lock the seat there and go for other rounds. And another thing that most of the students can do is like they totally skip the first phase, and these are the students who will be like again going for the fresh student in the phase 2, and they don't have to pay any fee again there for registration, or even though they don't have to do the self certificate registration. They can again log in with the same credentials, and again they can repeat the same process. But mostly the students who didn't get any seat, or they didn't get allotted any seat, they are the students who can go for the phase 2. If you get any seat, first to be at the safer side, lock it and then go for the next round. And see, most of the students are also the students who didn't attend the entire phase 1, and they will be attending in the entire phase 2 as fresh students. So you will be having some other competition other than your phase 1 competition. So lock it down the seat, go as a lot of confidence in the phase 2, and then you can get upgradation. Or if you didn't get any seat, if you lock your phase 1 seat, then automatically your phase 1 seat will get allotted back to you. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any other doubt regarding this, you can comment on in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.